Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Let's take a look at the local updates for Polkadot targets updates with my customer set. It's a fun moment, but Polkadot once again under $2. So with all of that milestones, what Gavin Wood shared by end of 2025, Polkadot still under $2. Yes, I still believe the Polkadot will recover back, but guys, it's so disappointing. Also, fun moments when you open the crypto rank, for example, and want to check the latest news about a Polkadot. There is no news about a Polkadot. It's kind of weird. On the Polkadot page, there is news about Atom, Axeler, Zcash, about Vitalik and native Ethereum, about all of the tokens, but no news about a Polkadot. It's kind of weird. It's kind of absolutely weird. Maybe it's some marketing trick or what. So locally, guys, take a look. The weak candle still in play. I hope we will come back and close again, test 0.5 low by $1.79. And if we not hold it, the next zone of support is $1.51. If we not hold even the $1.51, the Polkadot will go straight forward even under $1. It's fun because, you know, I totally don't understand why the people love so much the Polkadot, but with the greatest community, you know, without even hate. You know, I'm also still in Polkadot, but how it's even possible? Who's selling? If everybody's so supportive about a Polkadot, who sell the tokens? You know, it's kind of strange. All right, zones I showed you. Let's double check with indicator set what's going on now. So technically, it's accumulation zone. And so the worst case scenario, of course, if we're going to form the divergence on a daily and drop it under $1, but I don't think so it will happen. Of course, if the BTC goes straight forward to the 75K, the Polkadot will be under, I guess, even the 50 cents. So I don't think so it will happen. So now it's a crucial moment. I guess it's not a hopium. I guess it's just because of seasonality. Spring, I think it will be green. But the question is how high the Polkadot will bounce. You know, it's going to be the cat bounce to under $5 and the end of cycle, or we're going to reach the $15 or $30. You know, it's hard to say. That's why build the realistic conservative price targets. And if you want to buy now, for example, at $2, at $4, guys, at this daily gap, it would be not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. No signals to buy on based on direction indicator on a daily. 12 time frame. Yes, we're in accumulation. So locally, of course, it's we saw underrated, we long-term period trade at the bottom. So it's more than okay to try speculate with the token. 5 days ago, so CoinPD, Polkadot breakout has espoused why the silence around the dot matters. Silence around the dot matters. So, all right. Grayscale AI defying consumer tokens to assets consideration list. Yes, of course, we heard about the Grayscale want to add the NEAR protocol around the ETF. We saw a lot of ETFs for altcoins. You remember that rumors or maybe the news at the facts, we can't know at the moment until it not launched though. So, in 2025, they shared the news, the list of over the 90 altcoins ETF will be launched. But yesterday, I broke it down the video, you know, where I explained it, what the ETF means, because the people are so frustrated with the, you know, with these three letters, ETF. You know, people think it's some magic. So ETF launch it and institutional run and start buying just with the billions, trillions, these fancy altcoins. Of course not. And many of that ETF launches already priced it in. So it can be the buy the rumor, sell the fact news. So just be careful. So just 2 days ago, you saw the news about Grayscale want to run the NEAR ETF. And nothing happened on the chart. The same story with the Polkadot. That's why, guys, trade the charts, not the news. So now it's accumulation based on ADZ. I guess now it's okay. It's okay. Try to catch the knives, you know, and try to trade it. Highly recommend you use the dashboard, just a brand new indicator, what I posted recently, all in one place. Market smooth. It's a hopium, some hopium. So it's kind of weird because nothing changed on the price. So here it was like a capitulation. We pumped at 41%, good one. And now after 16%. Pump from that entry, you know, in December 26. It's just a hopium. So people so But in the last hope, people trying to push the price higher, but Polkadot won't move any penny higher. But anyway, I believe that Polkadot will perform. And the main goal is out in the right time, not being the last, the train on the station. So now it's positive, some hopium also even on a market mood on the daily time frame. Money power, guys, money in. So yes, step by step, some money in was 3 days ago. So money inflow on the daily, weekly. Yes, money in was in full December, the first 3 weeks of December, money in. Kind of strange, how it even possible. So we traded the bottom, but here 1 and 2 bearish every side that we're on the 12 time frame. Wow. Let's add alert, guys, to the money power, money inflow. I would like to see some money into Polkadot. Maybe we'll speculate. I don't want to touch anymore. I don't want to use the DCA for Polkadot anymore for a spot. That's why maybe I will speculate it. 12 time frame, the last signal to buy was here. Take profit, sell. No, nothing. Daily, buy. Recommendation close position. So I hope it was still in play that buy, and we could go higher. Also, what I don't like, we didn't break the structure. That's kind of weird. So here, this is a break of structure. So we need to break this high, at least on a daily, to talk about the potential break of structure. So this is the impulse, and we not break the structure, even on the daily, guys. 12 time frame, the same story. So it's so crucial. So we need to recover higher, at least to $2.50 to start talking about an uptrend structure. Locally, yes, of course, we closed the 12 time frame gap, but under is 0.561 of the week. So the last indicator is take profit. This is also what I don't like, guys. Buy line now for Polkadot, it's $1.33 on a 12 time frame. Daily time frame, it's $1.54. So guys, if the BTC will drop again, or even the BTC will pump and the BTC dominance will pump to 60%, for example, again, 61, 62, yes, the Polkadot can test again $1.52. So I hope it's just a consolidation, and we go straight forward to break the structure on a daily, test take profit line $3.05, exit line $3.45. And yes, of course, on the weekly time frame, Polkadot so underrated. So we rejected at the fundamental value below, and the take profit line, it's $6.08, exit line $6.91. So let's add alerts also to take profit line on the weekly. So it would be not a mistake to fix some profit here. Guys, I hope you like this video. Replicate and comment what do you think about a Polkadot locally. Do you think what will we see the first $3 or $1.50? If you'd like to trade as my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.